Okay. What? Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Virus Update for April 20th. April and I, we went to the clinic this morning and we got our second Moderna. I got rid of the Band-Aid. It was sort of pretty, but, what the heck. We got our cards, signed and dated for when the second one happened. So now we are safe. We're still going to wear masks. And strangers, no. We don't care for strangers. What can I say? I personally think that the men's fashion of gloves, those white or pearl gray cloth gloves men used to wear about up to 100 years ago. Men are still wearing them gloves. That's why the cigar bands. Yeah, that's why cigar bands. So a gentleman wouldn't get that tar stain on his glove. And why gloves? Because the world's a dirty place, man. We just think it's clean because we can't see the germs. They can see us. If you don't. Hey gang, I'm back. A power fluctuation dropped my mouse and my camera, my cloud storage device offline. I had to reboot. I was telling you about the fashion of men's gloves, the white or pearl gray cloth, and the cigar bands on the cigars is so you didn't get that nasty stuff all over your gloves, Anyway, I believe gloves for men are coming back. Not just because you're out working and you don't want to mess your hands up or burn them or get them ripped up by the thorns or just plain dirty. Right? That could be the worst one. Dirty. I don't mind burnt and scratched, but dirt. Ugh. Anyway, I believe gloves are coming back. Yes, I do. Now, about my second inoculation today, I feel basically the same. My arm hurts a little bit. Like any other flu shot. So, that's that. Now, if horns start growing out of my head, or some appendage falls off, I will let you know. Otherwise, I feel good. I knew that I would. So good. So good. I got vaccinated. Sang it myself. Changed it just enough, and it's short. I think I'm safe from a copyright strike on that. Poppy sings again. And he will again, too. Probably borrow a musical instrument and torture them together. Then the RIAA will be, well, we want to record it and sell it. Yeah, you pay me in gold up front. Anyway, good night from California. Wear a mask, get vaccinated, keep strangers away from you. And don't shoot people. If you feel like shooting people, don't. Good night from California.